One thing about the hybrid car is that here you see, in the bottom of the car, there's a vent here. This is for the battery to vent out heat or whatnot. So it's a special condition for hybrid cars where you make sure that this one is nothing is obstructing this grill here, so that the battery can breathe. So it's interesting. This is one of the differences between the hybrid version of the Toyota Corolla Cross and the normal petrol version. So yeah, fascinating. For my unit, although mine is the older model, mine is not the hybrid model, mine is a petrol model. Mine does not have this feature here. So there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for dropping by. Before you leave, I want to assure all of you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you and He is a healer. So when you accept Him, His work on the cross, you not only accept His salvation, you also accept His healing of all your sickness and diseases, all your griefs and sorrows. So, alright, hope you can accept Him. But thanks again, everyone, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.